welcome back. We're heading over to Ross's. Got the 4-row on. Gonna go shell some corn for the Oliver man. Moving down the road. This probably isn't that interesting, but hey, you gotta watch it for a second. Or I guess more than a second. Chug-a-lug-a-lug. He might only live a block away from me, but it takes forever to get there, it feels like. Well, see how far we get in a minute. We're at 37 seconds. See the cobwebs down there. The 4-row, it ain't been used yet this year. Getting ready to be. Gonna go shell some world record corn. Probably 400 bushel. Someone will make a comment about that, I already know. Well, we're at a minute 5. I'm gonna do this thing right and snap my out here hammering away for old Rossi Oliver, man. And yeah, again, I'm drinking. I'm an alcoholic that makes YouTube videos. Woohoo! Anywho, it's doing pretty good. I'm in a good spot now. He's got a few low areas that the water got to it. But some of the lower areas are better than the hills because first we had a lot of water and then we didn't have no water, so it kind of varies, but he's got a pretty good crop here. 89, this thing is flying through the field. With a 4-row head, it takes a lot to keep it full. Hopefully he shows up. I just about got a full hopper and I ain't got no wagons to dump on. I'll catch y'all back here in a minute whenever, well, I did that snap of the finger. Here I am. I messed that up. But anywho, we'll catch you back when he gets here and I get something to dump on. Well, ignore that guy. My video's kind of slow. Sitting here waiting on wagons. Don't know where they're at. Old Ross is being kind of slow, but I mean, you look right there. The beer amount is becoming a lot waiting on this guy. So, yep, we're waiting on Ross. Oh, we're zoomed up yet. She's a running though. Here comes the car. I gotta go. Well, beautiful sunset. Combine's still sitting here full, waiting on Ross. You know, 10 minutes turned into 20 minutes. 20 minutes turned into like 4 beers. And if you see the flashers, here we go. The old Oliver man is rolling in. Slowly but surely. He gonna get stuck because it's wet right here, but hey, it's a Ford. We'll pull it with the Chevy, I guess. But he's even on. Oh, he ain't even.
Got 3 wagons.
Oh, god dang. He 1, 2, 3,
4. Fuck.
We're gonna be busy tonight. God dang.
Oh, hopefully don't hit the post over there.
I couldn't find that many hitch pins. This guy's got 4 wagons. Yeah, we'll catch you in a minute.
Oh, here
Rookie driver. Ross, the Oliver man. We filled his wagons and he's going kind of slow. Got the flashers on. Waiting on him to get to his road, but yeah, we're going to continue harvest hopefully tomorrow. So we'll see you tomorrow. Dirty windows. So we're back over here. We're showing for Ross today. Got the 8900 just a boogieing along. Just got started. Got off of work early to come over here and play with this stuff, I guess. Back in a minute. I'm on Ross's that last field. This is officially my last field to open up and harvest for the year. Hopefully everything holds together till we get her done. It's a pretty big ditch. I'm right beside it. No screw ups here. I gotta turn around. There comes Ross, not with 2 wagons, but he's pulling all 4 again. That thing's full. It's hungry for more corn. Well, I'm sitting here in my shop. I can't show you what's sitting right there because that's my next video, but we're not done with Ross yet. I broke a shaft off the final drive and I didn't make it over there today to mess with it anymore. So there's going to be a video on the repair of the combine. That's why the video it kind of quit. I broke literally the shaft that comes right on the side of the final drive, right on that drive shaft. It snapped flush with the final drive. So we got to get the tire off, and I got a final drive. But we got to get that all switched over. I might make some video doing that tomorrow maybe. But if you guys like the video, give me a comment, a like, and a follow, and we'll catch y'all on the next one.